let's flip through my big happy planner catch-all and my classic happy planner journal for the month of May. So I haven't done one of these in a while, and I thought I would let you guys see my spreads from May. So first, let's take a look at my big happy planner. This is my catch-all, which basically means like all my plans go in this planner. Like this is my main planner. So let's flip to May. I know this does not match this, and that annoys me to no end. but it is what it is. Okay, so this is my May currently page. I think it turned out so cute. I made these little washi tape stripes, and then I put some flowers on them, and then I decided to add dogs, and of course I named every dog. We have Blake, Kim, Fido, and Petunia. If you saw that video, you know. And then I drew little, circles and just put my currently prompts in there. So I really like how this turned out. I decided to put a big Bumble on the page, and that makes me happy. So yeah, that's my currently page for May. And then we have this big monthly page, which is so cute. I love it. It's very bright and colorful. And this was using one of the new teacher sticker books. I think it was like, Groovy Teacher. Yeah. And just look at these. Oh my gosh, the illustrations. I love these pens, and I really like this washi tape with it. This is Archer and Olive. This came in one of their subscription boxes. I actually painted this paper and like glued it on, so I think that turned out really pretty and cute. When I get into like spring and summer, I just like having really bright, fun, colorful spreads that are whimsical, so this fits the bill for that. And let's check out my first spread for May. So I don't remember if this was a YouTube video or not. If you don't recognize a spread that you didn't see that video, then I probably made it an exclusive patron video. So my Patreon members at a certain level get extra videos. And so I don't remember, which is which. But this was the Modern Bookish sticker book, and combined with, I think, Mint to Teach maybe. So this is right after I got like those new teacher sticker books. I do like this one, but I liked it better before the pen. After the pen, it got really jumbled up. As you can see, I don't usually like when it's that jumbled looking. I had a problem also finding the right color yellow, so I combined stuff and it looks kind of weird. But, but it was fun filling it out for the week. This was really fun as well. I really actually love this one. I think that this was a patron video maybe, or maybe this is one I did completely on my own. But anyway, I used stickers from Live Love Posh. Functionally Chic Purple Bloom sticker book I think I used for this one. And oh my gosh, I love it. And sometimes when I look at my spreads, I try to figure out why I love them. So if I have one that I just like it more than others, I look at it and think, why do I like that? And I try to figure it out so I can do more of that next time. So I think the reason I like this one is it's very like lined up and kind of separated. I don't know. It just feels good. It feels set up well. And I also like having big areas of florals, but also, I don't know. I can't really explain it. Oh, I love this washi tape too. That's from Amazon. I love that purple plaid washi. I've been using it like crazy, so that could be part of why I like this. Also, I wrote nicer in this one, I think. So usually when I fill out these, you'll see like the colors that match the stickers, right? So these were probably Tombow dual brush pens that I used to match the colors here. This was definitely a YouTube video. I remember that. And this one was so fun because I used, well, this is from the Happy Planner Pressed Florals, I think. I used stickers from Live Love Posh. I love like the yellow, the orange, and the pink vibes here. I also used some of my own stickers that I designed for Archer and Olive, and I love how they turned out. I love the bees, and this felt like, honeycomb. I don't know. It just is really, really cute. And I think this is like a wrong sticker. But yeah, I like the color combo here. This one was definitely a patron video, and I decided so I was feeling overwhelmed this week and I didn't want to have to fill out a lot if I didn't feel like it. So I used really big stickers. This was the Minnie and Mickey Southern Farmhouse sticker book, and it turned out really cute. I don't know if I love these strips of washi like this, but I think it's cute anyway. Oh, and I decided to like take Mickey on one page and Minnie on the other page. So yeah, it was fun to write it. Let's move on to my classic happy planner. So this is my creative journal. I don't usually decorate my currently page in May, but this time I did. For this page, I used the Wildflowers Be Happy box, and I thought it turned out so cute. I forgot to fill out this Dear Past You and Dear Future You. I just wanted to give my patrons an extra video, so I did this, and I really actually enjoyed doing it. I really like currently pages a lot, so that was fun. I don't usually do my monthly in here either. Sometimes like once every like 6 months or something. So this one was very like vintagey and moody, right? I think, I do believe this was a YouTube video, but when I filled it out, I really went crazy with this one and kind of just put stuff everywhere, which is usually what I do. I even like drew little, I don't even remember doing this at the top, but I drew little thingies at the top. Yeah, I think it just turned out so cool. This, like, listen, I prefer bright colors and pastels, but sometimes it gets to be like too much for me, and then I always take it back to a neutral spread. But my typical is bright and pastels. I used some stuff from this like Amazon kit that I got, and it turned out really, really cool. Really cool. I did a TikTok with this one too. Okay, so this one is one of my favorites this year probably because I love yellow and I love like bright green and yellow. I used the All the Feels sticker book for some of these. I also used some of my boxes for March on Olive, and I used the Functionally Chic Live Love Posh green book, and I really like how it turned out. I like the writing in it, everything about it makes me kind of happy, you know? So every day is a brand new start. So for this one, I used those new Planything stickers that are so cute. And come on, Angelica, remember her? If you didn't see that video, go watch it. It's a pretty interesting one. I repurposed an old divider and made it into water. And then I took some scrapbook paper to make sand and filled out. It is so pretty. I love this one so much. And then this was the week I went to the shore with my parents. So then I put a little picture of us. We're in the water. We're in the water. Okay, so this one is, well, what is going on here? Let me glue this down while we talk. So I believe this was the May accessory box from Archer and Olive. And I love their accessory boxes because they usually come with like paper and stickers and other stuff, stencils and stuff. Anyway, this one came with like this packaging that had this stuff cut out. And I decided to glue it into my planner, and I really like how it turned out. I liked it a lot more before the pen. I don't love it after the pen. I just don't think, like, I don't really love how I filled it out. So, I mean, sometimes that happens. Sometimes I love it better before the pen. Sometimes I love it better after the pen. Sometimes it's the same, you know, but this time, I don't know. There's just something about this. Maybe it's the fact that I didn't fill out this part, or it's like these scribbles I did. I'm not feeling it, but it was still really fun to fill out that week. Okay, and that is that. That's all my May spreads. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite spread that I showed you. And yeah, I guess at the end of June, I'll probably do a 6-month flip through for my planners. Also, the reason I did not do my work planner flip through is I haven't been using it that much. I'm being completely honest. I've been really working off of daily sheets for my work. And like I have a separate Happy Notes notebook that I jot down everything in. And that's sort of been working for me. I'm also using my wall calendar again. Like I use the work planner for some things like Patreon stuff and lists, but like for the weekly spreads, I haven't been using it. So that's why I didn't do a flip through of that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next video and have a wonderful day. Bye.